Hello guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll bringing this topic to you guys. The three breed of goats that you can go for in case you want to start up a goat farm in Nigeria, and not only in Nigeria, wherever you are staying, you can start up goat farming. So, but the reason why I'm staying in Nigeria is because I'm staying in Nigeria. So, on the three type of goats that are common that people do real in the farm, number one is our local breed, the African dwarf. That is the number one. And you know, our African dwarf, if you happen to buy it from a right source, there are someone that can give birth to 3, there's someone that can give birth to 2, and there's someone that can give birth to 1. Like I said, if you buy it from a reliable source. While the second one is the Sokoto Red, the Hausa breed. So you can get that as well. And if you get that, you can use them to crossbreed. You can use the Sokoto Red to crossbreed our African dwarf. You know, our African dwarf, they are very strong and they can withstand any weather condition of the thing. So you can use them to crossbreed, and if you crossbreed them, you will get a very good kit. So, and the third one is the Kalawad. The Kalawad is a product of the hybrid, which is the Kalahari goat, and our African dwarf or Sokoto Red, which we call the Kalawad. So these are the three type of breed that we do real in Nigeria right now, and those are the three type of breed that are common. So if you want to go into goat farm, those are the three on breed of goats that you can buy. The reason why I decided to create this video is because a lot of people has been asking me different questions concerning the breed of goat that they can go for, the one that can give birth or that can give more kids to them. So if you want to go into goat farming, then the three type of breed that you can rear is the number one, like I said, the African dwarf. The second one is the Sokoto Red. The third one is the Kalawad. So, and if you want to get all those three breed of goats, you can reach out to me, because at the end of this video, I'll be dropping my contact list. So do well to call me and I can get it for you. And if you want to learn more things about them, maybe probably that gestation period when they'll give birth or their injections, I can still help you out with that. Although I'm not that good in terms of their treatment of a thing, but with the little that I know, I'll still teach you guys. And I hope if you guys practice it, you will excel in the goat farming. And not only goat farming, if you're interested in any other livestock farming as well, things like the piggery, the grass cutter, or the fishery, you can reach out to me. So I will teach you more things that you guys can learn in this YouTube channel. And like I told you, the purpose of us creating this YouTube channel is to teach you guys, and always to make sure that you guys excel in agriculture of the whole. So for you guys to excel. So please, if you want to learn any other thing in this YouTube channel as well, please do well to contact me. And I want you guys to rewatch all our videos. You will learn a lot from this YouTube channel. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new content like this for you. And please do well to like this video and keep on sharing our videos with your loved ones or with the people that you think that they have interest in agriculture. So please do well to share our videos and drop your comments. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.